As we embark on 2024, now is the time to focus on a crucial aspect of your business success, your brand foundations. The beginning of a new year is the ideal opportunity to revisit and refine these foundations, ensuring that all your sales and marketing efforts for the year ahead are built on solid ground. Hey there, I'm Juan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share the best tips, tricks, and strategies to help you grow and monetize on social media and beyond, all sparkled with a little bit of AI. On today's video, we're gonna explore the importance of having strong and clear brand foundations for your business and how AI can assist you in either creating them or improving them. Let's begin with the basics. What are brand foundations? Your brand foundations are what your entire business structure relies on. These foundations encompass what your brand represents, the value it offers, and the specific audience it targets. Without clear and robust brand foundations, navigating the vast and competitive business landscape can become a directionless task, making it very challenging not only to resonate with your audience, but to achieve any kind of success. It's like walking in the middle of a forest being completely blindfolded. Let me remind you the importance of having clear brand foundations. You will have a deeper connection with your audience, your marketing will become more effective and easy, and you will build a strong brand identity across your multiple channels. Let's talk about the 5 key elements of a brand foundation, also known as the 5 Ps. The first one is purpose, which is the driving force behind your brand. The second one is perception, and this is how your brand is viewed by the public. The third one is personality, and this is the unique character that sets your brand apart. The fourth one is position, and this is how your brand stands in the market against all your competitors. And the fifth one is promotion, and these are the strategies that are used to communicate and promote your brand. So now that you have a better understanding of what are brand foundations, what make brand foundations, and why are these so important, let's take a look at how AI can help you create or redefine your current brand foundations. You know that AI can assist you in gathering and analyzing data, not only about your audience, but about the trends in your industry and refining your brand's purpose, vision, mission, values, and so on. So now I'm gonna share some prompts with you that I highly encourage you to go and use in ChatGPT or whatever AI tool you currently use. So to define your brand core values, use this prompt. Define the core values, vision, and mission of my brand and ensure that they are reflected consistently in all my marketing efforts related to my business. For personal brand positioning, I need some strategies to position my personal brand as the desired positioning in the target market. For messaging strategy development, develop a messaging strategy that communicates the unique value proposition of my service or product and differentiate it from competitors in the market. For creating a brand style guide, create a brand style guide that outlines the tone, voice, and language to be used in all marketing materials related to my service or product. To develop a brand voice, can you create a type of brand or business voice that would convey excitement, urgency, sensitivity, etc. For identifying keywords and phrases, what are some of the most common keywords or phrases associated with brand type and how can these be incorporated into my brand's tone of voice to strengthen my brand's identity? Utilizing these AI prompts can significantly help in refining various aspects of your brand, whether it's sharpening your brand's core values or developing a distinct voice in the market. Once again, I highly encourage you to go and try these prompts out. And once you've done this, you'll see the impact of having clear brand foundations will have in your business. You can expect to forge deeper connections with your audience, craft more impactful marketing campaigns, establish a stronger brand identity, enhance brand loyalty, and boost lead generation and sales. So to wrap up, you've seen how important brand foundations are, what make your brand foundations, and how can you use AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Bard to improve these foundations. I know it's not easy. I struggle with my own brand foundations when I started out, but this is gonna make everything so much easier and faster. It's gonna improve your entire life when it comes to your business, of course. So before you go, I wanna remind you about my signature program, the AI-Powered Creatorpreneur, which is opening doors over the next weeks. This program is a revolutionary journey that will take you from the creation of your brand or redefining your brand with AI to creating a content powerhouse system that allows you to create more content, distribute more content with half the effort, to multiple channels, to growing and monetizing your business through your content, all powered by AI. So if you want to be one of the first people to find out when we open doors, I highly suggest you add your name to the waitlist. There's a link in the description. You'll be the first one to find out when doors open. You'll get access to early bird prices and to exclusive bonuses that no one else will have. I would love to join you as part of the next generation of AI creatorpreneurs and help you grow your business in 2024. And now, before you go, as always, don't forget to give those thumbs up. If you have questions, comments, feedback, or concerns, drop them in the comments. Share this video with a friend. And if you're new here, please subscribe for more videos on AI content creation, social media growth, and monetization. Until next time.